I hope I will not be interrupted by Mr. Sharafuddin as well as my good friend Abbas, because what I'm going to say is very serious and it won't take more than a couple of minutes, so please bear with me. Every single time such an incident transpires, we fall into the trap of snaring the fundamentalists but sparing the fundamentals. Remember, Mr. Waris Pathan had to apologize on bended knee for merely chanting Ganpati Bappa Moria. Remember that on this very channel, Mr. Razak had declared that Shah Rukh Khan is not a true Muslim. You must understand that the Holy Quran absolutely forbids. Now, please, you know, I had requested you not to interrupt me. Please
let him make his point. Ilyas Sharafuddin, let him make his point. You can rebut him. You can rebut him. You can rebut him, sir. Let him make his point. Yes, go ahead.
Ye sharafat hai. He's just come here to interrupt people and
go ahead, make your point, Dr. Ranganathan. Floor is yours.
Laughter. Please be quiet. Yes, Madhav, you must understand that the Holy Quran absolutely forbids worshipping or praising any idol or god other than Allah. 572, 448, 4116, 656, 1722. Same is the case when we outrage on Muslims objecting to interreligious marriage, blasphemy, heresy, dress code, fornication, homosexuality, apostasy, without realizing that they are merely following the express order of the Almighty Allah. And anyone who doesn't follow each and every word of the Holy Quran is not a true Muslim according to Allah. Look, Allah has defined just who is a good Muslim. 33:36, 3:132, 8:2, 49:15, and whose every word, as he has proclaimed so himself, is inviolable. 33:62, 6:115, 18:27, 6:34. And every time we see the apologists bringing out the excuse of context or interpretation in order to hide this fact, as they will do as soon as I am done, just watch. This is because it is they who are Islamophobic. They fear Islam. They fear to make public the word of the Holy Quran.
No, I will actually put it a different way.
According to them,
I will actually put it a different way. Ilyas Sharafuddin, you talk about Islamophobia.
Madhav, 30 seconds.
You talk about Islamophobia time and again, Ilyas Sharafuddin. 1 second. Ilyas Sharafuddin, simple question. You talk about Islamophobia. Anand Ranganathan is accusing you of being the Islamophobe.
Creation leads to hell. Homosexuality not allowed.
Yes,
will go to hell.
Because I tell you, Madhav, please mute him. You know, he is just completely. Madhav, please. You know,
answer the question, Mr. Sharafuddin. Okay, Mr. Sharafuddin, please calm down. Please calm down. Please calm down. I'm going to come to you. I'm going to come to you, Mr. Sharafuddin. Anand Ranganathan wants to come in and then I go across to other panelists as well. Yes.
Madhav, I wasn't finished. He interrupted me.
Okay. Let him finish his point quickly. Anand, quickly.
Madhav, yeah. Yes, Madhav, Sharafuddin साहब को मैं थोड़ी कुरान समझा दूं. Let him have the guts to say that he doesn't believe in the orders of Allah, who says, and I'm quoting, do not marry your women to polytheist men unless they believe in Islam, 221. Or there is no deity except Allah, 4062. Or those who deny the Quran, their necks will be shackled and they will be dragged in boiling water and in fire filled, 4072 72. Or those who disbelieve in our verses, we will drive them into a fire, 456. Or polytheists are the worst of creatures, 986.
You made your point. I'm going to let